Greetings, Brisbane residents and community members. I'm Clay Holstein, City Manager for the City of Brisbane. I, along with Mayor OConnell and Chief Macias, would like to talk to you about COVID-19. We are facing an unprecedented situation. In a very short period, our day-to-day life has changed. Schools and workplaces have been disrupted, and we are finding new ways to provide city services and programs. I'll speak more about what actions the city has taken, but first I would like Mayor OConnell to speak to you about what's on her mind.
Fellow Brisbane residents, COVID-19 has presented itself to be a very serious health concern. To try and contain the threat, our County Health Officer, Dr. Scott Morrow, recently put into effect an urgent health order calling for all residents to shelter in place. This was a unified decision among 6 Bay Area County health officers in order to reduce the spread of COVID-19. However, I want to remind you to please act responsibly in doing the things we've been told to, practicing 6 feet of social distancing when going out, covering your cough or sneeze with an elbow or tissue, and most importantly, washing your hands frequently. I urge you to make a conscious effort in taking an hour every day to not talk or think about COVID-19. As Clay mentioned, this has been a very disruptive time. Many of you who are watching this are finding that your children are now at home with you. Take some time each day to be together as a family and find some time for yourself. We are unsure how long this will last. I feel really strongly about the need to protect our mental health as well as our physical health during this time. We can be our best selves when caring for our loved ones. We don't know how long we're going to be here, so let's make sure we take care of ourselves. As I know, this is Brisbane. We'll be taking care of each other. Thank you.
Thanks for that important reminder, Terry. And dovetailing on taking care of others, in conjunction with the Brisbane Lions Club, Brisbane Village Helping Hands, the Chamber of Commerce, and the local churches, the city is working on providing help for our residents in need during this time under the organization of Brisbane COVID-19 Response Coalition, or BCRC. Through this organization, people in need can fill out a form and will be matched with someone who can help them get food, medications, or other necessities. Volunteers can also register on the BCRC website if they would like to help those individuals and families in need. In addition, the website allows for people working on the front lines to register so members of our community can show our support by sending a meal or a thank you for all the extra hours and dedication during this very difficult time. If you would like to log a request over the phone, please call Village Helping Hands line at 415-508-2185. Otherwise, go to tinyurl.com/Brisbane CRC to log your request online and to get more information. Before I talk more about the adjustments taking place at City Hall in response to the health officer's order, I wanted to have Chief Macias talk about some of the services that won't be changing.
Yes, thank you, Clay. I would like to assure our community that the men and women of the Brisbane Police Department will not stop serving our community during COVID-19. The health and safety of our community continues to be our top priority during this time. We are still serving and protecting our community 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while making sure we're taking all necessary precautions to keep our community and officers safe. Commander Garcia and I are available and accessible to all of you should anyone need to reach us. We are here for you, and together we will all get through this very difficult time.
Thank you, Lisa, and thank you and your officers along with our firefighters and safety inspectors who have also been maintaining a consistent level of service during this time and are serving on our front lines. And we oftentimes forget our public works crews are in the field and doing their job. To ensure other essential city services continue, we've implemented our continuity of operations plan, and you still will be able to send emails or speak on the phone with the city staff who are working Monday through Thursday, 8 to 5, and Fridays, 8 to 1. I want to note that the building planning and public works engineering operations will be limited to electronic processing of emergency permits to address immediate life safety and health issues. Essential construction projects where, if halted, could negatively impact the health and safety and welfare of the community are being allowed to continue at this time, such as the water main replacement project on Kings Road up through the new main line being safely placed. The best way to get the latest information from the city is by signing up for our weekly update at brisbaneca.org. So sign up if you haven't already. Otherwise, we encourage you to stay connected online or over the phone with us, with your neighbors, and especially your loved ones. In closing, stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.